This 2022 Heartland Cyclone 3413 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in West Palm Beach, FL 33407 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.